What an amazing car, just in direct off the one local owner, gentleman I've dealt with since 1984, I believe. This car is absolutely tremendous. Cannot believe it's 2019 on a 19 plate with just over 2,200 miles. Yes, you heard that correctly. 2,200 miles, 2019 car, averaging around 550 miles per year. It is stunning. NISSAN MICRA TEKNA. Great specification on this one. It really is an amazing little car. Superb specification. Enigma black. Let's take you all the way around it. It's got rear parking sensors. It's got rear camera. Nice bit of carbon trim. It is fabulous. Very spacious little car actually. It's a 1 litre engine with 90 brake horsepower, so a very little lively engine. Split folding rear seats. Beautifully clean. It's got even the overmat on it to protect the original carpet under there, which is like brand new. No spare wheel on these. Got the emergency kit in there. Bit of hologram on the side there. I don't know if you can just catch it with the sunlight. Looks quite stunning actually where the sun catches it. A little bit different. Rear privacy glass. Just look down the sides. No nasty dents, scratches, scrapes anywhere. The gentleman wanted these dual climate tyres on the vehicle from when it was new. Lives just a bit out in the country. All the wheels are unmarked. This is how the car came in. Not been refurbished. All the wheels are absolutely perfect. As I mentioned, the rear privacy glass. All the wheels as brand new. Really has been totally cherished. Just gleaming away. I can't say I've spotted a stone chip, but there might be the odd tiny little chip. Just nature of cars. But nothing that I've spotted personally on the vehicle. So as I mentioned, it's a 1 litre, 90 brake horsepower. A very, very underrated car. Again, there's the final wheel. Just to prove that they are like brand new. Absolutely love the interior. The contrast you've got with the black trim and the light grey trim there. Beautiful that is. And again, the black and light grey interior. Non-smoker's car, no nasty smells. The front seats have had covers on from new. Again, look at that trim. Lovely contrast, electric windows, electric mirrors, folding mirrors. Look at that upholstery. Absolutely gorgeous. All unmarked. And you've got the BOSE sound, personal sound. Again, a nice little feature. Those seats do look very funky, very nice. Makes a nice contrast with it all being totally black. And again, across the dashboard as well, the attention to detail is just fabulous. Nice big clear screen satellite navigation. And there's the mileage, look at that. 2195, that's what it's done. 2195 miles. 2019 car. Incredible car. Reverse camera. Okay, it also shows us the parking sensors for the rear in conjunction with DAB radio. The sound system sounds terrific. just scroll through the stations. As I mentioned, there's nice big maps on there as well. Climate control, air conditioning, USB aux input, 5-speed manual gearbox, leather multifunction steering wheel, cruise control, speed limiter.
Please say or select a command.
DAB radio.
Playing DAB. Please say or select a command.
Telephone.
iPod is not connected to USB. Please say or select a command from the displayed list. Cancelling voice recognition.
So you've got voice recognition. Doesn't always pick up on the accent, but there we go. It has got voice activation. Got the folding mirrors. Various settings on the dashboard straight in front of you. Push button start. So there we have it, our absolutely amazing 2,195 mile NISSAN MICRA TEKNA with superb specification, one owner from new. You've also got keyless entry. It is just fabulous all the way around. You can click and reserve this car 24/7 down to our website. 2 o'clock in the morning if you fancy it, don't want to miss it. Remember, click and reserve. Remember our full money back guarantee. If the car is not as described, your full refund, no questions asked. Read about our raving fans reviews and see why customers come back to us time and time again. Just like this family, as I mentioned, been dealing with them since 1984. We make buying and selling cars a simple, hassle-free process. Established since 1997. Specialist Cars, a multi-award winning dealer based in Stoke-on-Trent, Staffordshire. Any further information, we're always available on 01782 822 700. Great finance always available. Check our website for full details of HP and PCP deals to suit your needs. So why should you buy your car off me? Very simple. We've been established since 1997 and our full way of transparency is to show to you how nice all our cars are. So rather than just comparing prices, we urge you to compare the specification, the condition and who you're dealing with. Read about our raving fans review and you'll understand why customers come back to us time and time again over generations. We have full on-site facilities for servicing, repairs, MOTs. Every single car goes through our workshop before you buy it. All are full HPI checked to ensure there's no outstanding finance, there's no damage, not been stolen. That gives you the confidence to know that that car is absolutely perfect. Why not follow us on Facebook? You'll get full updates of every single car, or exactly what's going on in the premises here. You can buy any of our vehicles 24/7 off our website. Click and reserve, come and collect. Alternatively, we can arrange home delivery. Buy it from the comfort of your armchair. Simple as that. With the full video, you know exactly what you're going to get. No nasty surprises. Check out our YouTube channel. Follow us on there and you will get updates of every single car as soon as it arrives in. Here to help you. Give us a call 01782 822 700.